Introducing BP1 CRO controls-ready backlit panels. Adding smart lighting controls shouldn't be complicated. With a built-in sensor socket, you can add control strategies like occupancy sensing and daylight harvesting in minutes. No additional wiring required. PowerSET and ColorSET technology means just 3 SKUs cover any application with field select wattage and CCT on site. With 120 to 347 volt range, one fixture works everywhere in the US or Canada. Standard T-grid mounting plus aircraft cable, surfaced and recessed options give you installation flexibility. Additionally, emergency battery packs are available for code compliance. They are IC rated for insulated ceilings and DLC premium listed for maximum rebates. BP1 CRO controls-ready backlit panels. Stock less to serve more. Contact your EiKO representative today for more information.